Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix Diablo 4 lag. So if you're experiencing lag in Diablo 4, it can significantly impact your gameplay experience. So here are some steps you can take to try and fix the lag issue. So first, you need to check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Diablo 4. Inadequate hardware can struggle to run the game smoothly. Upgrade your hardware if necessary. Now, update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated or incompatible drivers can cause performance issues. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Now, lower graphics settings. So, lower the in-game graphics settings to reduce the strain on your system. Decrease options such as resolution, texture quality, quality, anti-aliasing, and other advanced graphical effects. Experiment with different settings until you find a balance between visuals and performance. Close unnecessary background applications. Close any unnecessary programs or applications running in the background while playing Diablo 4. These applications can consume system resources and affect game performance. Disable overlays and recording software. Disable any overlays or recording software such as Discord overlay, NVIDIA Shadow Play, or OBS. As they can interfere with a game's performance, you can disable them temporarily to see if it improves the lag. Check network connection. If you're playing online, ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, as it tends to provide more stable and consistent speeds. Disable peer-to-peer updates. If the game is updating or patching in the background, it might be using peer-to-peer connections, which can consume bandwidth and cause lag. Check the game settings or launcher options to disable P2P updates or the peer-to-peer updates. Close bandwidth intensive applications. Close any applications or downloads that are using a significant amount of bandwidth, such as streaming services, file downloads, or cloud backups. These activities can impact your internet connection and cause lag in online gameplay. Restart your router. If you're experiencing persistent lag issues, try restarting your router, unplug it from the power source, wait for a few seconds, and then plug it back in. This can help resolve any network issues or congestions. Last is to contact game support. If the lag issues persist after trying the above steps,